Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name's LissaMarie, and in today's video we're going to be doing an at-home pedicure. Let's get started. So you saw me add in a couple ingredients, which were Epsom salt and some bentonite clay. I'm going to get that started, get it bubbling, and we're going to pull up a seat. I have my massager in the chair and I'm just going to sit back and relax. Alrighty, some optional things that you can add in are lavender oil and tea tree essential oil. That's what I added in. Disclaimer. I probably should have started the video with this, but anyways, better late than never. I am not a professional. I have not had training, and this is just how I do my pedicures at home, just so you know. But I'm gonna start off by filing because I have gel nail polish on my toes. It's just the easiest way for me to get them off. I'm gonna go ahead and file them and take off that gel and let them soak a little bit. And now I'm gonna be taking this cuticle pusher and pushing my cuticles back. I know it looks like I'm being rough, but it's been a while and sis need a pedicure. So had a lot of dry and dead skin just sitting there. Don't judge me. Now that you've done watching me pick this crud out my toe and get all this good stuff, we're gonna go ahead into filing. I kind of like to go for a square toenail if possible. Sometimes it's not, and it just is what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and shape them up and get them situated. Buffer block, excuse me. Just gonna hit that once or twice on each toe. We're done there with that, at least. We're gonna dry these bad boys off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a base coat down per usual. The video is pretty self-explanatory, so I just didn't really feel like I need to be talking through a lot of these things when you could just kind of see what I'm doing. So now starts the fun part. I've already done the white, and that's just, you know, however you paint your toenails. And I'm gonna be doing like a marble effect. So I put black nail polish on my toes. I guess you would say. I'm trying to think of how to explain it. I just put a little bit of black nail polish. I had a little bit of alcohol on the brush. It was an old makeup brush that I was using. And I just moved it around to create the design that I wanted. I had no particular design in mind also. Just something to look cute, I guess. I'm not really a perfectionist when it comes to my feet and toenails and stuff like that. For the simple fact, no one's gonna really be up close on your toes and be like, oh my God, you missed a spot. So it doesn't really stress me out. As long as they look decent, we're good. Alrighty, so my camera died. I'm so sorry, but thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I love you. Thank you again. Have a good one.